Hey everybody, good morning. This is Euro Maestro scoping live from Dubai. I'm out on my balcony about to go down for breakfast and getting ready for an awesome day. I have some really special treats in store for you. You don't want to miss this. This is going to be a big day. This is our last full day in Dubai. So big shout out to Claire there for first comment, Alicia's Farkas for second, and Yassine comes in at number 3. Awesome. Kelly says good morning. Is this Dubai? This is Dubai. This is my balcony here. Oop, I don't know if you can see my balcony. My balcony here at the Palace Hotel, which is beautiful. Oh my God. We have Abdullah, my Dubai brother, who has invited followers. Big shout out to him. Hello, Euro. And he has been the nicest, greatest host. He's a runner here. He has lent me his earbuds because somehow I misplaced mine. Hey, Mary Jo Windsor, hello. So pretty there. It is gorgeous. Look at this place. Oh, my God. I had no idea it was as beautiful as it is. I am totally in love with this place. And there's very few cities in the world that I really fall in love with. I mean, I like a lot of cities. I even say love cities, but this is really a passionate love. I have it for Paris. I definitely have it for Dubai. New York, even, I have it. It's sort of, New York is very exciting for me. But I don't know how to explain it. I mean, I think a lot has to do with the people, the beauty, all the activities. Yeah, it's really, really great. I mean, I can't think of places like this. You still sound tired. Must be a good vacation. It's an awesome vacation. This is more like a lake than a pool. It's kind of like a very large pool, I guess, or a lake. It's kind of like a lake. There's like boats that run around here and stuff. So it's pretty cool. I don't know what it's called technically. A morning, Euro. You must be exhausted, Euro. It's good to be Euro. Good morning. It's midnight here. Yeah, I know it's very late there. And so there you go. It's a very large pool. Yeah, it could be maybe, I don't know what it's considered. Amazingly beautiful. Have you been to San Francisco before, Euro? If not, we are ready for your next trip. Oh my God, that sounds like a trip. I haven't been there. Is it a lake, not a pool? I don't know. I have to ask Abdullah or someone what it technically is. We have a swimming pool over the side, which is very different. I've never seen anyone swimming in this. I think this is more like a lake. I've seen boat. Where are the girls? This is a photographer's dream. It is a photographer's dream. Yeah, it's a body of water of some kind. I don't know what it connects up with. Maybe it connects to Dubai Creek or something. I don't know. It's a man-made lake. There you go. I was right the first time. It's a lake, but it's a man-made lake. There you go. And it's really beautiful. You can see the color. It is pristine blue. It is incredible. I mean, this is clear, like this is like you could probably drink this water. Why is it so deserted? Well, for one thing, it's early in the morning, and second of all, we're kind of like, I don't know if you can see, but there's not the main streets here. The main streets are behind that building. Morning, Euro. All of Dubai is man-made. Yeah, pretty much. What is the favorite thing you did in hashtag Dubai? You know, I was thinking about that. It's really hard to think of a single favorite because everything has been so awesome. The diversity of people here, the diversity of activities and things you can do is just insane. What am I doing? Oh, I should take my, what should I take? Should I take my, I got all my stuff just thrown around here. I'm not going to take anything with me. I'm just going to go to breakfast. Good morning, Euro. We're going to sleep now in California. All right, Caro. Dude, your room is a mess. It is a mess. This is a real mess this time. Because you know why? We came in and we just been so busy. But I will clean up later. You should go and jump on Dan's bed. Yeah, Dan is into that whole jumping on the bed thing, I think. Let's go over to the lobby. This is like a 25K trip. Yeah, a little bit more than that. 20 years ago, Dubai was a fisherman village. I know. It is just utterly amazing, the transformation of this city. This hotel, for instance, he left Dubai in 2004, came back 4 years later, and it was totally crazy. Kelly and Liza up till 3 dancing. Oh, well, we're going to have to give them a little wake-up call if they're not already here for breakfast, because we've got a big day for you guys. You have to come back in about, what time is it? Let me get the exact time here. 8 o'clock, my time. So in about an hour and a half, you're going to see the most amazing scopes ever. I can't believe what the Dubai Tourism Bureau was able to put together for us. And I'm going to tell you right now, it is totally amazing. This morning, we're going to be doing something I wanted to do for a while. Now, if you've been following my periscopes, you probably have an idea of what I'm talking about. Because I know it came out yesterday. I did not update this phone to do, of course, but I haven't done that yet. So let me see where I'm going. What's for the day? You're breaking Euro. Yeah, I'm going in and out. Nadja and Anissa say hello. My mom. Bonjour, monsieur. Where's the restaurant? Restaurant. To eat. Breakfast.
Breakfast, level 1.
Just go down here?
Yeah, you can go down, level 1.
Okay, thank you. How long as it works? This will be my time. Loving your event. It's going to be amazing. It's really going to be amazing. We've got a secret surprise in store for you guys. And it involves some very unusual cars. Do they have in and out? You're in the house. You're wandering like I am wandering a little bit. Euro. Oh, I started in French and then I switched to English. You know, it's funny. I pretty much always start in. Oh, this isn't it. This is the spa, I think. Is it down another level? It might be down another level. Oh, it is down another level. That's awesome. Euro, did you swim? Oh, yeah. So if you ever go to Dubai and you want to stay downtown, I would definitely recommend the Palace. Palace is an amazing hotel. Also the Vida, my first hotel. Totally amazing. And here is the breakfast. Okay, finally. Finally made it to breakfast. Yeah. Can you imagine the place is so big that I'm not even sure how to get there? Good morning. Thank you. All right, let's take a look at what is in store for breakfast. So, we've got our juices. We've got water, of course, orange juice, watermelon juice, mango juice, grapefruit juice, pineapple juice, and carrot juice for starters. All right, and then we've got the cereals. Oh, Dan is going to be really happy. So we've got K Fruit Fiber, K All Bran Flakes, Rice Krispies, Corn Flakes, Kellogg's Specials, Kellogg's Frosties. Lots of cereal choices. And then if you just want them in boxes, they've got all the different boxes as well. And they have, of course, Cocoa Pops. Oh, my God. Dan is going to be happy. That's like the only thing he eats. Yeah, there it is. And then, of course, for us normal people, we have things like fruits. We've got melons and watermelons and pineapples and papaya. I love papaya in the morning. Sweet melon, screen froze. Good morning. I hope it's okay now. We've got nectarines and apples and plums and pears. Okay, maybe you don't like any of that stuff. Maybe you just want regular yogurt or lemon yogurt or Greek yogurt or white cheese yogurt or white cheese yogurt with raspberry, or maybe you want white cheese yogurt with orange. I know what I'm going for. I'm going for the raspberry. Oh, no, maybe not, because there's raspberry yogurt. Maybe I'll take that. Pineapple yogurt and vanilla yogurt. All right. Maybe you don't like any of that. And we've got apricots and prunes and hazelnuts and dates and dried papaya cubes and walnuts and dried pineapple and pistachio. Maybe none of that is what you like for breakfast, and you want something a little more traditional on the French side, like croissant. So regular croissant, or pain au chocolat, which they call chocolate croissant. We never called it that ever in France. Cheese croissant, za'atar croissant, salmon quiche, wow. Cheese sage, spinach fataillé. So look at this. Now we're getting into some stuff. Then we have, maybe you like bacon, or spring rolls, or sausages, or grilled tomatoes, or more sausages, or more bacon. Wow. Chocolate croissants. Now you're talking. A freaking amazing spread of food. Oh, but it's not over with, guys. There's English fruit cake. There's palm tarts. There are mutabal. And hummus. Dude, you're making us hungry. Is this buffet included in the price of the room? Yes. Breakfast is included. They have the labyrinth fresh, the za'atar, and the kazakaval cheese. Okay. Of course, we have more of these kinds of sweets and desserts. I see a brioche. We like brioche in France. Pecan nut rolls. What are mutable? We have palmier. We have cheese cube danishes. And we have sugar brioches. I'll get the room rates. I don't really know. There's gherkins. There's olives. There's turnip pickles. Mandarin pickles. Mixed pickles. Feta cheese. Cheese akawa. Halaluma cheese. And baladi cheese. You're in heaven. I am in heaven. And then those that are Homer-esque, if you're Homer Simpson, we've got donuts, chocolate donuts, hot tea, please. And, of course, we have bran muffins. Hey, Euro, make sure you send a map to Dan for breakfast. I know, it's crazy. So many cheeses. And then, of course, all the different breads. This is what us Europeans like. The hotel is called the Palace. How's my day? Starting off pretty awesome with an amazing breakfast. I haven't even finished yet. Nectarine compote, dragon fruit compote, pear compote, mango compote, pineapple compote, lychee compote, brioche muesli, and jackfruit compote. So every type of compote that you could possibly want. Oh, I'm just getting exhausted looking at all the food. Bring me some breakfast. Then there's more. There's coleslaw, rice salad, pasta salad. Maybe you want shrimp mango salad. Mixed pickles, capers, pearl onions, black olives, horseradish sauce, sour cream sauce, tomato salsa, or piccoli mustard. Maybe you want an omelet. They will make you an omelet. Look at this. Omelet made fresh in front of your eyes. Hello there. With all fresh ingredients. Oh my God. The eggs are right over there. Here's the eggs. You can get, I forgot what these type of eggs are, or these types. So you can get the brown eggs or the white eggs. And of course you have all the fresh ingredients there. And you can make whatever omelet you want. But it's not finished, guys. Look at this. We've got egg cocotte here, which is a favorite in France. I don't know what you call this in English. Actually, they call it cocotte too in English, I guess. So egg cocotte. What else do we have? We've got mixed roast vegetables here. We've got courgette, steamed courgette here. Very nice. We've got steamed prawns. Gotta love the prawns. Dan comes down every morning and says, put a prawn on the barbie for me. Well, here's the prawn. Yeah, they do have poached eggs as well. And here we have, it looks like salmon. Yes, steamed salmon. You know, this is what I love, steamed salmon. And then we have whatever these are called. I think someone told me they're called hash browns. And then more meat, if you want your meat. We've got steamed rice, vegetable curry, dal curry, mixed South mushroom, baked beans for the British, and sautéed potatoes. It's potatoes. Just kidding, guys. Salmon hash brown for breakfast. Salmon. Yeah, I usually have salmon for breakfast. No sea bass. Yeah, where is the sea bass? I know we had that for lunch. We've got oatmeal. If you guys like oatmeal, I might actually try it. It looks pretty good. And then we've got these tiny little banana-like things. I don't know what they are. They kind of look like a banana, except they're super small. And then different fruits, kiwis and melons. and all that type of stuff, and all the different sauces and sugars and chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, cinnamon sugar. Oh, those are plantains. Those are like mini plantains on a cream cheese bagel slice. And then, of course, we have honey and maple syrup and vanilla sauce. And they make here what you want. You want crepes? You've got crepes. Pancakes, waffles. You have Indian patata and puri. Oh, I like a good puri and a good paratha. And here we have smoked salmon, smoked mackerel, smoked trout. You have your choice here. Smoked trout, smoked mackerel, smoked salmon. We have beef, bresaola, turkey and ham, smoked pepper, mackerel, chicken, chorizo, beef salami, and lamb chorizo. It keeps going and going. Yeah, I'm still not finished. Oh my God, it's never going to finish. Yum, yum. Okay, it's crazy. So, what is this? A beef congee, a chicken dim sum, and egg fried rice. So they have different settings. They have like Arabic setting, Chinese setting, French setting. Maestro, seriously, so hungry now, not crowded. Is it early for breakfast? Yeah, it may be early. I'm not really sure what time people get up. We have to get up early and get out of here. And there we have all the cheeses, which I like. We have the Comte cheese, the goat cheese, the brie. This is like a little tiny French station here. And anyway, so you see, you get the idea. You got a lot of choices. And you have idal and chana masala. So I think I'm going to get chana masala for breakfast. As crazy as that may sound. Anyways, I'm going to go eat. Yeah, it's very international. There's something for everybody. How much of that food actually gets eaten? I don't know. Better than the FS Hotel? No, well, I'd say they're about the same, because if you saw the Four Seasons Hotel, they had a huge breakfast buffet as well. It's very international. Biscuits and gravy is the best, and cheese grits. Well, there you go. We're going to have breakfast. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.